AMC 10, 2004, problem 15. Given the range of x and y, we're trying to find the largest possible value of x plus y divided by x. So right now, this is a fraction. So what can we do with fractions? Well, x plus y divided by x, they all have a common denominator of x. So we can break up this fraction to be x over x plus y over x. Now, x over x is the same thing as 1. So this is the same thing as 1 plus y over x. If this is 1 plus y over x, then what can we say about the range? Because we have a fraction, so we have reduced the number and the complexity of this problem. Now, y over x is a fraction. What makes a fraction as large as possible? Well, that means we must get x to be as small as possible and get y to be as smallest as possible. So what this really means is the absolute value of y over x, to maximize this quantity, we must make sure that y and x are as small as possible. So you want the smallest quantities for each of the following cases. So how do we do that? Well, the x is all integers between -2 and -4. So we have -4, -3, and -2 to choose from. Which one of these is the smallest? Well, -4 is obviously the smallest, so we choose -4 for x. And what about y? Y is 2, 3, 4. And likewise, we want y to be the smallest, so you'll choose 2 for y. And there we'll have maximized the fraction y over x. Hence, we can plus them 1 plus 2 over -4, which is 1 minus 1 over 2, which gives half. So the answer will be answer choice D. Now, if you are running out of time on this test, then you can probably solve it from eliminating answers from logic. Right off the bat, -1 and -half. Well, we can't. Well, we can obviously create 0 if we let y and x be equal, and that's possible because each are in the same range as each other. So a and b definitely 100% will not be the case. So what about 0, half, and 1? Well, 0, we can obviously hope that there are some other ways to form a number that's greater than 0, so 0 should be logically off the table as well. And it's a 50-50 chance between half and 1 if you can find that there are no possible arrangements of y and x that can result in 0. That will make 1 plus 0 to be 1. So 1 cannot be formed. So this will be off the table as well. So if you are guessing, then you would have to have guessed the answer choice D. But nonetheless, it's D.